Leslie Ayres, Editor-in-Chief of Mac Life. Today I wanted to show you about a brand new portable USB microphone from Blue Microphones. It's called the Snowflake. The cool thing about this is it is, as you can see, quite portable. And what Blue Microphone says is that it's professional quality, which didn't so much matter to me because all I really wanted to do with this mic is record my 8-month-old talking. Or as it's really jabbering, but to her it's talking. And everyone I know who has kids tells me, oh, you should record that before she gets too old, before she starts learning how to say no and talking back and all that stuff, when we still think her jabbering is oh so cute. So what I did was I took this home last night, plugged it into my Mac, and tried to record her for a little while. What we discovered was that it is indeed quite a sensitive microphone and picks up a lot of good sounds, except for her sounds were not so good last night, so I'm going to try again later. But basically, what you do with it is you just kind of unpack it, and it's this little sort of compact package, and the cord even goes, it can kind of spiral around and go underneath the actual microphone part. And you just plug this part into the top, plug it into the USB port on your Mac, and then just in your system preferences, choose it as your input sound device. And then you can go. You can either record in GarageBand or any other audio app of your choice, obviously. GarageBand is the easiest one to do if you just want to go ahead and start up GarageBand and then start a new track and click record, and it will record as long as you need to. It's 79 bucks, and like I said, it's quite portable. I don't know how much it weighs, but it's got to be less than, I don't know, less than maybe half a pound. And you'll probably see a review of this soon on MacLife.com or in the magazine, so check it out.